Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be making a Warhammer 40k inspired tabletop. Let's get started. So with the inclusion of the introductory set and the starter set, they give you a paper mat. However, these aren't that nice. They give you some paper walls to fold and cut out. They're okay. But in the ultimate starter set, which I reviewed and took a look at, they give you more of a harder board. It's about 1/8 inch, maybe a little bit more. Cover most of it. Okay. Let's try this. I don't think I have to go any further. Oh well, I'll have to figure out a way to take that together and hold it. So the texture that I decided to go with is this kind of like a cobblestone or flagstone look for the ground, for a pathway across to the other side. Using this textured roller I procured myself a little while ago, testing out all of them, and I really like this one the best. And it's got some depth to it if you add a lot of mud to it. So that's what I got to do for this strip. I don't have any wood textures or wood plank texture that I need for walkways and all that, so I'm gonna have to make do without. Hopefully when it dries you can see it. Yeah, you'll be able to see some of these. So this is my first time using static grass and a static grass applicator. So I thought it would be a good idea just to test it out on a bigger project first rather than smaller one instead, which would have been better. But I like to just jump into things and see where they go from there. And in my opinion, I think it turned out pretty good. Maybe a little bit more grass and a few more different layers of colors, but other than that, I think it did turn out quite good. And without further ado, let's get on to the final reveal.